Does anyone else feel my pain when you've got situations like this? Well, try this one out. This multifunctional power tower. So you've got 12 plug sockets. You've got USB ports and Type-C. So you've got separate switches. You can turn your USBs on and off. You can turn your sockets on and off. This thing has overcharge protection, reset protection, flame retardant protection, short circuit protection, and overcurrent protection. How amazing is that? I mean, can you imagine at Christmas time when you've got like tons of lights, you've got your Christmas village, everything needs plugging in. How many extensions do you need for that sort of thing? Well, with this, 2 of these have already disappeared because they'll be on here. And then you've only got 2 plugs. Amazing piece of kit. Grab yourself one below.